In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a CapCut project on PC. If you've already finished exporting your video and you want to clear out old, unused files to free up space on your computer, this is the easiest way to do it. The process is quick, but there's one important detail to keep in mind. Removing a project from your dashboard is not always the same as deleting it permanently. So I'll walk you through the full cleanup from start to finish. First, open CapCut on your PC. Once it launches, do not go into an active editing timeline. Instead, stay on the main startup homepage, where CapCut shows your saved projects. This is the dashboard area you see when the app first opens, and it's where all of your project files are listed in the projects grid in the lower half of the screen. Now find the specific project you want to remove. Move your mouse over that project's thumbnail card. When you hover over it, a hidden three-dot menu will appear near the bottom right corner of the project card. Click that three-dot icon once and a small menu will pop up. From that menu, choose Delete. After you click Delete, CapCut will show a confirmation box. Go ahead and click OK. At this point, the project will disappear from your main dashboard, which makes it look like it's gone. But there's still one more step if you want to completely remove it and recover the storage space on your computer. Next, move to the menu on the left-hand side of the CapCut window and click the Trash folder icon. This opens the area where recently removed projects are stored. Think of this as a temporary holding space before permanent deletion. Inside the Trash section, locate the same project thumbnail. You'll see a small circle checkbox on the corner of the thumbnail. Click that checkbox to select the project, then look toward the bottom center of the window and click the blue Delete Permanently button. CapCut will ask you to confirm one more time. Click Confirm and the project will be permanently deleted from your system. And that's it. The project has now been removed from your dashboard, cleared from the trash, and fully deleted so it no longer takes up local storage space. If you're trying to keep your drive organized, this is a good habit to do regularly, especially after finishing larger edits. Thanks for watching, and now you know the fastest way to delete a CapCut project on PC.